Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video I am going to be showing you guys how you can export a lot of images at once in Adobe Lightroom instead of doing it just like one by one. So you're going to press on a picture for a few seconds, then you are going to then select the rest of the pictures you want to export to your camera roll. Press the share button, and then you are just going to press export to camera roll. Then it'll render the pictures one by one and it'll save to your gallery all at once. That is basically it. I know this tutorial was super simple, but I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!